front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary Font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Hit Display. Then scroll again to tap on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style. Hit Download Fonts and then tap on Rosemary one here. Lastly, after tapping on Install button, go back to the same settings. Now to apply your font style, click on it and go back again. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my font style was successfully applied. If you wish to switch Rosemary one, for your default one, go back to the same settings and hit default at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!